a selective color photo using Pixlr. I'm going to show you two different methods of making that. And let's get started. This is 1, 2, 3 photo skills, everybody. And this is Erica Rosser. So please subscribe to my channel, especially if you're a student of mine. Because then this way you don't always have to wait for me to post videos on Google Classroom. You could just get it on your YouTube channel account. Okay, so I'm going to pick, well, I already picked a photo. I picked this one to use. So I'm going to right click and copy image address and then open it in Pixlr. Just to kind of backtrack to Pixlr.com. Oops, I misspelled it. Pixlr.com. Go. All right. So Pixlr E, I'm going to load the URL and paste it into here. And click load. Okay. So the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to make a duplicate of this photo. So you have to click on these three dots right here on the side of where the layers window is. And you're going to go down here to duplicate layer next to the trash can and duplicate. Okay. So you're going to have your top layer and your bottom layer. So the top layer is going to be in black and white, and the bottom layer is going to be in color. So we're going to make the top layer into black and white by going to adjustment and going all the way down to desaturate. And that will make it black and white. So then the next thing we're going to do is we're going to erase or delete in the color photo on the bottom. Now in the other window, I have this already, but I used the selection tool. I used the Polygonal selection tool to do this. So that's how I was able to do that. And if we make this disappear, you see the selection that I made, and then that peeks through like that. For this one, I'm gonna be using the eraser tool. So I'm gonna take this tool and adjust my brush right up here in the top. And I'm probably gonna decrease the softness and leave the size the way it is. And just start erasing. Nothing happened. You know why? Because this one isn't highlighted. So this layer isn't highlighted. It has to be this one. So I'm gonna click, I'm gonna press down Command Z as in zebra, and then go to the top one and then try it again. There we go. And so then you just color in the color, if you will, lack of better words, the color of the color that you need to make for your selective color. All right. And you just keep doing this until you get the whole thing. So this one seems a little bit easier than using the selection tool. But to do the selection, I'm gonna just do it really quick over here. You just, make your selection, right? Go back and then hit delete, and then it gives you a color area. So, but I don't want to do that on that one, so I'm just gonna undo. There you go. But that's pretty much it. And then you just go to File, and then go to Save, and then you're done. So that's how you make a selective color photo. So this is very, very popular in the early 2000s, this technique. So this is kind of like one of those techniques that I kind of don't care for, but it's fun for kids. It's fun for students to do. Okay. So email me for questions. This is Erica Rosser, and 123photoskills@gmail.com. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.